Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yeast rolls from scratch, updated. Begin by warming milk to 110 degrees F and proofing yeast with a teaspoon of sugar. While yeast activates, measure flour and salt, soften butter, and beat the egg. Use a digital scale or measuring cups for accuracy, and prepare a warm, draft-free spot for the dough to rise as you mix and knead. Mix the dry ingredients, then pour in the milk, egg, and melted butter gradually while stirring. When ingredients come together, turn dough onto a floured surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes until it feels smooth and elastic. If using a stand mixer, switch to the dough hook and knead on low for about 6 minutes. The dough should hold shape and stretch without tearing easily. After the first rise, punch down the dough gently and divide it into equal pieces for uniform rolls. Shape each piece into a smooth ball, place in a greased pan, and allow a second rise until puffy. Bake at 375 degrees F until golden brown, usually 15 to 20 minutes depending on size. Once out of the oven, brush with melted butter for softness and shine, then cool slightly before serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.